They're still there in the morning, locked out in the cold, yet prepared to suffer anything for a chance to see or touch him.
Oh, he's lovely, yeah, I touched him. He's all warm and lovely.
What they don't realise is that behind the freakish image, the Bowie circus, right down to the flashy car, is a well-oiled show business machine. On the surface, the circus seems bizarre. Yet his backing group are professional musicians. They're Yorkshire lads with down-to-earth accents whose appearance merely seems to be moulded to fit into the Bowie image.
Do what?
You've always got to come out the front now.
The coach carries a team of 30. Electricians, road managers, sound engineers, stagehands who put up £15,000 worth of equipment to project the superstar on stage.